welcome back to my channel. I hope you're fine and enjoying my videos. But don't forget to subscribe me. Okay, let's come on today's lesson. Can you tell me? Oh yes, today we will learn letter Y. But wait. First learn the sound of letter Y. Y sounds Y. Say with me, Y. Good job, Y. Okay, let's learn Y is a root letter because it's written in 3 large lines. Can you write Y? Oh, good. It's very easy. Now story time. Let's listen a story of letter Y. I like to eat yogurt and yellow banana. Y. I like to eat yogurt and yellow banana. Y. Oh yes. Now learn animal from letter Y. Yak. It's very strong and scary. Okay, friend. Let's learn some words from letter Y. Yarn of many colors and it's too long like train. Yo. I wanna play yacht. I like it. Yolk is too healthy. Egg yolk. Yellow sunflowers and yellow sun and yellow mango and lemon and yogurt. I love to eat. Yoga. Stay fit. Yes, friends. You're yawning. I wanna sleep. Yes, friends. Now it's your turn. Tell me some new words from letter Y. Oh, that's great. Yummy. I love my mommy. Mommy is so sweet, like sugar and honey. Yummy. I love my mommy. She gives some food to fill my tummy. Yummy. I love my mommy. Yahoo! Oh, Yahoo! Friends, thanks for watching. I hope you like my video and learn a lot. But don't forget to subscribe me and press the bell icon to get notifications. Like, share, comment. See you later, friends. Bye-bye.